Are you ready?
No.
Yep, that's me. No experience riding a motorbike in Vietnam. Well, it's possible. So, all you gotta do is find a motorbike rental in Vietnam, even if you don't have any biking experience. Although, I do not recommend doing this. It was definitely a crazy experience, and I can't believe she just trusted me on riding a motorbike without an experience. And yeah, I don't have a motorbike license at all here in the US, even. So I do drive car, but definitely not a motorbike. But you can see I know how to bicycle, but this is still different than riding a bicycle. It was a bit heavy. It's definitely a wonderful experience. We had some accident as well. The GoPro flew. She fell. I spun around because you can see I almost hit that car over there. It's crazy. But yeah, this is definitely a wonderful experience. But think about 200,000 dong is what we paid for a 1-day bike rental. We just wanted to experience it. It's included with the gas already. I think these guys said about 50,000 dong for the gas. One more thing to note in here is that, you know, when we were renting the motorbike, the guy was like, hey, don't worry about like if you get pulled over, all you gotta do is like give them like, you know, 500,000 dong to the officer if you get pulled over. Just make sure you're not drinking and driving. That's the biggest thing, you know. So this was definitely a wonderful experience. Crazy, but it was fun because after we fell, which was not recorded in the videos in here, we drove at night and a lot more peaceful because there's not a lot of motorists on the roads. This was definitely fun. I do not regret any single moment of this, although it was definitely scary. I should really learn how to ride a bike better because you know, if you don't have that muscle memory experience and like when you brake, you can accidentally hit accelerate and you're just going to spin because you're also trying to brake. That was a scary part. But you can see I am struggling. Oh my god. Go ahead and watch this. Thank you guys. Be sure to follow me for more vlogs in here and experiencing life. Anyway, thank you. Don't forget to hit thumbs up and subscribe.
Wait,
Sakay ka na sa likod.
okay. Let's do it. Guys. Kaya mo mag-break.
Ang bigat?
Really? Oh shit. Ang bilis.
Nakaka-stress.
Sino tayo? Solo ka solo.
Nice sis. Natakot ka?
Hindi. Super chill.
Ang taas niya. Pareho kami ni Kuya. O, saan yan, left? Oh shit. Ikot tayo. One way yata
One way
ito eh.
yata.
One way nga ito.
Bigat ba?
Medyo. nyo ba?
Hmm?
Naka-signal na nga ako eh.
Ha?
Naka-signal right na ako.
Signal ka na.
Oo. So ito na yung McDonald's. So nandun na yung pabalik. So once we turn. Kaya bigat ah.
So how's the experience so far?
Lakad tense yung buong katawan mo.
Ha?
Tense.
Ikaw?
Yeah, okay naman pero tense.
Yung hindi tayo sa main road.
Saan tayo?
Side street.
Saan? Sabi mo, you have to tell me where to go. Ayoko kasi pumasok ng one way bigla eh. Saan? Siguro pwede. Pasok tayo dito?
Ha?
Pasok tayo dito. Ako, dumaan tayo sa may mga polis. Pero we need to come back here, no? We need to come back. Turn right. Hindi, straight yan eh. Baka bungin na yan. I think we should turn right. Dapat ikot lang tayo. Kasi,
Hindi ko kasi alam if one way or ano.
hindi, kaya nga. Ikot tayo. Ayun o. Ano to? Oh, we're back into the circle now.
Parang hindi pa tayo nakapunta sa area na to.
Oo nga, ang ganda, no? Hotel Metropolitan. Asa na tayo? May go-go. May, ano yung, ano na?
Ah, dito pa lang. Yung mga patik ko.
Patek Philip? Saan na tayo? Turn right?
Sige,
You know, the more you go slow, the less balanced you are.
Really? So it's harder for you?
Hindi naman. Ay, it can be scary. Ako, dami tao.
Interesting.
Balik ka tayo? Paano ba babalik na ito? So, nandun pa sa kabilang dulo, no?
Oo.
Hi, Bobby. May kotse ba? Parang meron.
Wala.
ngayon, mas maingat na ako kasi pinipress ko siya forward eh.
Walang kotse.
Nasa 20 kilometers tayo ah.
Sa gilid ka kaya.
Oo nga, gumigilit na nga ako eh. Mami yung kotse.
Well, this is fun. Are you getting used to it?
Hindi. Sabi naman ang bagal ng motorista. So, dyan tayo kumain kanina oh. Poting. Ang sarap ng hangin.
Oo nga.
Kung maglakad sa ano, ay sinara na nila yung gate.
Ha?
Sinara na nila yung gate.
Ang Bovia pala kapag gabi.
Oo nga. Saan tayo? Pasok pa tayo doon? Sa kabila? Saan na?
Oo.
Dito sa kabila na sa right?
Walang kotse.
Hindi, I mean yung papalik sa Airbnb.
Oo. Oo, yun yung Mach 1. Kotse.
How does it feel? Ay, nabobiyaw pa oh.
Oo nga eh.
Saan ba? Dito ba? O doon?
Right. Tapos mag-stay ako sa Mach 1. Let's go.
Oh shit. Mas-stress na to.
There.
Tapos,
Tapos dito.
straight?
Oo, straight. Sa Chico. Eto dito.
Hindi, stop na tayo eh.
Sige.
Follow the rules.
Okay, let's follow the rules.
Dito yung circle.